Now we are going to talk about the job circular of Transcom Beverages Ltd. That means we know Pepsi is available in the market. Pepsi is branded by Transcom Beverages Ltd of Bangladesh. Transcom Beverages Ltd, the franchise of PepsiCo International USA for Bangladesh, is looking for dynamic, competent personnel to fill the following position: Senior Sales Executive. Job responsibilities are given here: drive secondary sales target, drive vehicular execution, ensure same store growth, ensure proper trade schemes, maximize buyers, maintain stock, conduct regular work with PSR, etc. Education and other qualifications: BBA or MBA, minimum 2 years relevant experience in sales. Preference will be given to the experience in food. Proficiency in English and computer literacy must be result driven. Strong analytical ability. Age must be within 35. Job location anywhere in Bangladesh. Compensation and other benefits that will be attractive. And here is written the application deadline is 20th April 2021. So you have to apply before. It will be better if you apply before 20th April 2021, and you have to go on bdjobs.com, and after that you have to search for Transcom Beverages Limited, and then you can apply for this position. So this is for today's job circular. Thanks for watching. Stay with us for the next job circular. See you soon.